If you've also been waiting for a fantastic Nokia smartphone, that's incredibly affordable yet packed with amazing features, then today we've brought something special just for you. This incredible smartphone comes with a 200 megapixel DSLR camera, and a powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about the Nokia King Max 5G smartphone. If you're eager to get your hands on this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because in today's video, we'll reveal its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia King Max 5G. Nokia's stunning smartphone boasts a 6.87-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 2K resolution, and a 144 Hz refresh rate. On top of that, it comes with Gorilla Glass armor protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. According to leaks, Nokia's upcoming smartphone is set to give the iPhone some serious competition. The Nokia King Max 5G is expected to feature a triple camera setup, including a primary 200 megapixel sensor, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front-facing camera. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance. And when it comes to software, it runs on the latest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery and charging. As for battery life, the phone packs a massive 6800 mAh battery with 125-watt fast charging support, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 port, so you spend less time charging and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the launch date. No official info has been released yet. But as for the price, leaks suggest it could be around $800.